All right, will do. Thanks. Bye. That was my friend Sierra telling me I need to get plenty of sleep before I leave for vacation later today. Speaking of vacation, Hawaii, Europe, whether you prefer a warm beach or a historically rich vacation, time off is extremely beneficial for students. In order to be successful as a student, diligence is required. Not only is diligence required, but also ambition. After days and days on end, that same determination that students begin the semester with can be lost. Stress will inevitably fill that void. Sometimes a simple reset is necessary. To begin, there isn't much more important to our physical health than the condition of our hearts. I found 2 studies that show how time away from life's responsibilities can improve our heart health. First, men who frequent annual vacation are 32% less likely to die from heart disease than their counterparts who forego vacations. With women, it's the same story. Women who vacation every 6 years or less are 8 times more likely to develop coronary heart disease than their counterparts who vacation every 2 years or so. This really brings to home how important it is to take time off. Stress kills, and we need to prioritize this time off. Next, along the same lines of health, our mental health is improved with time away. I know I, for one, feel more positive and have less negative thoughts after vacation. I also have experienced that I am more healthy and less tense while I'm away from home. And afterwards, I feel like I have more energy and greater life satisfaction. Who doesn't want those, right? Further, we've all heard the saying, happy wife, happy life. Vacations have been proven to drastically improve our relationships. In fact, marital satisfaction is increased with the amount of vacations. Another benefit of time off with family and friends are the memories that are created. Some of my fondest memories are from family trips. Further, we can use, once we are home, these family trips in our meditation techniques to decrease stress. To cap it all off, vacations can improve not only our physical health in the conditions of our heart, but also our mental health, and will improve our relationships. If you were at all hesitant before, hopefully I've been able to convince you to give yourself a break and take some time off. See ya. Can you take it from here?